Hi friends, have you ever wondered how creative ideas can change the whole world? Imagine a world without lights, aeroplanes, cars, etc. All these amazing inventions began with someone who thought differently and came up with an idea. Well, today's word of the day is ingenious. How to pronounce it? Ingenious. Ingenious. It means clever and inventive. The teacher's ingenious way of explaining the solar system using oranges and lemons made learning so much fun. Ramu came up with an ingenious plan to finish his homework faster so he could play outside. Thomas Edison's ingenious invention of the light bulb transformed the way we live and work.